हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू केवी टीचर्स गिल्ड। सो बच्चों, अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 9th इंग्लिश का एक क्वेश्चन पेपर। ये पीरियोडिक टेस्ट सेकंड का पेपर है ऑफ सेशन 2022 टू 23। तो सबसे पहले है रीडिंग सेक्शन 10 मार्क्स का, राइटिंग एंड ग्रामर भी 10 का है, लिटरेचर है 20 मार्क्स का। इस तरीके से पेपर 40 मार्क्स का होगा। टाइम इज 1 hour 30 minutes। ओके, सो सेक्शन ए रीडिंग, रीड द पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। Have we ever thought consciously about how much food we waste on a daily basis? Have we ever started evaluating how much food our household, culture, nation, and environment are wasting? It's not something that scares individuals who have food really accessible whenever they feel hungry. However, those who are not even able to consume one square meal in a day always wonder if they should have filled their stomach with all the food that is wasted around them. In medium and high income countries, food fit for human consumption is discarded in vast amount at the supermarket and market level. In particular, major food and waste losses exist in the food supply chain in low income countries at manufacturing and processing stages. Data reveals that India wastes as much food as the whole United Kingdom eats, contrary to Indians' perception that they don't waste food. In fact, food waste in India is a troubling concern, and the streets of the country, especially garbage bins and landfills, have ample evidence to prove this. Up to 40% of the food produced in India is wasted, according to the United Nations Development Programme, and about 21 million tons of wheat is wasted annually. Every year in India, about 67 million tons of food is wasted, which has been estimated to be around rupees 92,000 crores. In other words, this amount is adequate to feed all of Bihar for a year. Nearly 21 million metric tons of wheat are found to rot in India per year. This number is equivalent to the gross annual production of Australia. For global food security and the climate, food wastage is a topic of priority. Not only does food waste have a negative impact on the environment, but it also influences the economy of a nation by creating economic losses. Approximately 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption is lost or wasted. According to an FAO study, the economic effect of this food pollution are considerable, amounting to about $1 trillion per year. Okay, questions अभी देखते हैं. Why does the writer want us to think consciously about food wastage? Because क्यों वो चाहता है कि हम फूड वेस्टेज के बारे में कॉन्शियसली सोचें? क्योंकि द फूड वॉज परचेज्ड विद हिज मनी, उसकी मनी से खाना परचेज किया जा रहा है. द वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग थ्रू फूड स्केर्सिटी, वर्ल्ड फूड स्केर्सिटी से गुजर रहा है. हायर पॉपुलेशन, नो, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज वाई डज फूड स्केर्सिटी नॉट स्केयर पीपल हु हैव फूड रेडिली एक्सेसिबल? जिनके पास फूड एक्सेसिबल है वो उसकी स्केर्सिटी के बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचते? दे आर ब्रेथेरियन. ब्रेथेरियन मतलब लोग जिनको लगता है कि हवा ही खाना है और वो बिना खाने के रह सकते हैं. दे आर रिच एंड कैन ईजिली बाई फूड फॉर देमसेल्व्स. यही रीज़न है, रिच है, आसानी से उनको खाना मिल जाता है, तो इसलिए वो फूड स्केर्सिटी को ज़्यादा फेस नहीं करते. ओके, नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द फ्रेज विच मीन्स द सेम एज वन स्क्वायर मील इन द गिवन सेंटेंस. द सोल्जर्स आर टायर्ड, दे डिडंट हैव बेसिक फूड फॉर 5 days. ओके, बेसिकली 1 स्क्वायर मील का क्या मतलब है? बैलेंस्ड मील, एक टाइम का. नेक्स्ट इज वाई आर सम पीपल ऑफ अ कंट्री अनेबल टू ईट इवन अ स्क्वायर मील अ डे? एक दिन में 1 स्क्वायर मील भी उनको नहीं मिलता. ऐसा क्यों है? ड्यू टू फूड शॉर्टेज, खाने की कमी है. फूड वेस्टेज की वजह से, वो पुअर है, अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. फूड वेस्टेज की वजह से नहीं, एक्चुअली में तीनों ही रीजन्स हैं. शॉर्टेज भी है, कुछ लोग वेस्ट करते हैं, कुछ वो गरीब है तो इसीलिए खाना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट इज वाई डज द राइटर से दैट फूड वेस्ट इज अ ट्रबलिंग कंसर्न इन इंडिया? ऐसा उसने क्यों कहा? बिकॉज अप टू 40% ऑफ द फूड प्रोड्यूस्ड इन इंडिया इज वेस्टेड. ये भी रीज़न है. 21 मिलियन टन वीट जो है वो एनुअली वेस्ट होता है, ये भी रीज़न है. इंडिया वेस्ट एज मच फूड एज द होल यूनाइटेड किंगडम ईट्स, ये भी रीज़न है. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके, एक पैराग्राफ था, अभी एक और पैराग्राफ है. The more of this power of concentration is, the more is the knowledge acquired. Because this is the one and only method of acquiring it. Even the lowest shoe black, if he pays more concentration, will polish shoe better. The cook with his concentration will focus all his attention on the work in hand and will cook a better meal. In making money or in worshipping God or in doing anything, the stronger the power of concentration, the better will be the work done. Even though concentration is the key to acquiring knowledge, concentration itself is not easy to attain. It is a skill that can be developed only through a lot of patience and practice. He who masters it is real yogi. To control our senses and to gather all our awareness into one focus is by no means an easy task. Life itself is complex and there are invariably several issues vying for our attention, which makes it even more difficult to focus on one thing. Even if we try to concentrate fully on the work in hand, our subconscious mind is scattered in various directions and soon drags our conscious mind along without even our realizing it. It therefore requires a lot of discipline, willpower and self-control to focus or concentrate. However, the efforts is worth it and pays rich dividend in the form of accomplishment of our goals. This is the one call, the one knock which opens the gate of nature and lets out floods of light. Okay. Now question is किन्हीं 5 क्वेश्चंस को आपको आंसर करना है. What is the prerequisite for acquiring knowledge? अच्छा, इसमें ऑप्शंस नहीं है. सो नॉलेज को एक्वायर करने के लिए आपको क्या पहले से चाहिए? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स हु यूज देयर पावर ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आर साइटेड इन द पैसेज. पैसेज में किन प्रोफेशनल्स के एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं जो उनकी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की पावर को यूज करते हैं? सो शू ब्लैक, कुक एंड नहीं, प्रोफेशनल्स यही दो है, शू ब्लैक एंड कुक. नेक्स्ट इज इन योर ओपिनियन हाउ डज कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हेल्प टू एक्वायर नॉलेज. आपके ओपिनियन में कैसे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हेल्प करती है नॉलेज को एक्वायर करने में? सो जब हम कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड होते हैं हमारा माइंड उसके फुल पोटेंशियल पर वर्क करता है. आंसर आप लिखेंगे बिकॉज कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इनेबल्स द इंडिविजुअल टू यूज हिज माइंड टू इट्स फुलेस्ट पोटेंशियल. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाई इज कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सो डिफिकल्ट टू अटेन. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को अटेन करना इतना मुश्किल क्यों है? सो नॉट ईजी टू अटेन. क्योंकि जब भी हम कोशिश करते हैं कॉन्सेंट्रेट करने की, हमारा जो सब कॉन्शियस माइंड है वो इधर उधर डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में स्कैटर हो जाता है और हमारे कॉन्शियस माइंड को भी अपने साथ ले लेता है. नेक्स्ट इज लिस्ट सम क्वालिटीज एसेंशियल टू अटेन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अटेन करने के लिए कौन कौन सी क्वालिटीज चाहिए? अ लॉट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन, विल पावर एंड सेल्फ कंट्रोल. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एक्वायर इज अ वर्ब. गिव द नाउन फॉर्म ऑफ दिस वर्ब. एक्वायर की नाउन फॉर्म होगी एक्विजिशन. नाउ विच वर्ड इन द पैसेज मीन्स अनचेंजिंगली. अनचेंजिंगली होगा इनवेरिएबली. अभी आगे है सेक्शन बी, राइटिंग. राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन एनी वन ऑफ द गिवन टॉपिक्स. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम या फिर इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ योगा इन मॉडर्न एज. So time is really precious and important for all of us. Therefore, we should never waste time. Time is very important in our lives and plays a significant role. Our whole life revolves around time. We should respect the time and also understand the value of time because the time gone is never going to come back. It's better to follow and respect time instead of regretting afterwards. We have all heard the proverb, time and tide waits for none. And this is the best suited proverb as tide does not wait for anyone. In the same manner, time also does not wait for anyone. Instead, we should make time our opportunity and grab it as it is really precious and important for our life. Thus, we have significant importance of time in our life. Okay, दूसरा टॉपिक था importance of yoga in modern age. So, yoga is an ancient form of workout which developed hundreds of years back in the Indian subcontinent and is being practiced continuously ever since. It consists of various types of asanas to maintain a person in good form and do not away with different forms of ailments. It is also considered a strong approach that assists in the reformation of body and mind. Yoga is being exercised globally today. Approximately 2 billion individuals worldwide practice yoga and the is adding up every day. Yoga is an old physical, spiritual, and mental technique that originated in India and also is currently exercised throughout the globe. Indians have preserved and well understood the methods and value of yoga for centuries, and today the whole world is practicing yoga and experiencing its advantages. People have known the importance as well as the power of yoga over the centuries. A yoga exercise session mainly consists of breathing exercise, meditation, and also yoga asanas that stretch and also enhance various muscular tissues. It is a good alternative for staying clear of medicines that of course have side effects. One of the main advantages of practicing yoga is that it assists in handling stress. Anxiety and is common these days and is understood to have damaging impact on one's mind and body. Yoga help in managing as individual's body, spirit, and also mind. It brings the physical and also psychological discipline together to relieve the body as well as mind. It additionally assists in handling anxiety as well as anxiousness and keep you unwinded. Yoga asanas is recognized to establish adaptability, vitality, as well as confidence. Okay, now next question is, you are Naresh. You happen to go to Agra on a crowded bus on a hot summer day. Record your experience in 100 to 150 words in your diary. So सबसे पहले आप डेट लिखेंगे जब आप डायरी लिख रहे हैं. Then dear diary, या फिर अगर उसका कुछ नाम है तो, I had a bad day today. I had to go through a crowded bus today from Delhi to Agra. I missed my train from Delhi, so I had to take the bus. It was the worst experience. I had to stand all the way and there was no place to move. I even found it difficult to breathe. When I got near Agra, I got a little place to sit. I was very relieved to get down from the bus. From this experience, I am kind of demotivated to travel by bus. It also made me sad because of the poor quality of transportation. I had to travel for one day, but there should be many people who have to face this frequently. I hope this situation improves. I will be writing soon again. And then your name, sorry, जो दिया है नरेश. Okay, now next is complete the sentences below by filling in the blanks with suitable participle clauses. The information that has to be used in the phrases is provided as the sentence in brackets. Blank, the firefighters finally put out the fire. They worked round the clock. So round the clock काम करते हुए firefighters ने finally आग को बुझा दिया. So working round the clock. ये यहाँ पर आप blank में लिखेंगे. Next is, she watched the sunset above the mountain. Blank. She noticed the colors blending softly into one another. So noticing the colors blending softly into one another. Next is, the excited horse pawed the ground rapidly. Blank, while it knead continuously. So kneeing continuously. Continuously knee करते हुए. Blank, I found myself in Bangalore. मैंने खुद को बैंगलोर में पाया instead of बनारस. I had taken the wrong train. So having taken the wrong train, I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. चलिए, next question is, report these questions using if or whether or why, when, where, how, which, what. Remember the italicized verbs change into the past tense. एक्चुअली तो कुछ इटैलिसाइज्ड है ही नहीं दोनों में. चलिए, रिपोर्ट करना है. मीना आस्क्ड हर फ्रेंड, डू यू थिंक योर टीचर विल कम टुडे. सो मीना आस्क्ड हर फ्रेंड, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास हटेंगे, इफ शी थॉट हर टीचर वुड कम दैट डे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज, शी आस्क्ड मी व्हेन आर वी गोइंग टू लीव. So she asked me when we were going to leave, full stop और commas हटेंगे. चलिए, now next is section C literature, extract based questions. अभी आपकी बुक के ही क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. सो चैप्टर्स आपने रीड किए होंगे, आप बेटर आंसर कर पाएंगे. या फिर एक्सट्रैक्ट देख लेते हैं. चलो एक बार. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So the youngest played by himself much of the time. He especially loved mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister, Maja, he is said to have said, "Fine, but where are the wheels?" Questions देखते हैं. What type of toys did Einstein like? So he used to like mechanical toys. Next is, what did Einstein not know? He did not know what to do with other children. Next is, what did Einstein say looking at his newborn sister? He said, "Fine, but where are the wheels?" Okay, next. Extract based questions from poetry. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and wattles made. 9 bean rows I will have there, a hive for the honeybees. Question is, where did the poet want to go? Innisfree. Next is, what will the poet build there? A cabin. And what will the poet have there? 9 bean rows and a hive. ओके, अभी आपके बुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. अटेम्प्ट एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस, किन्हीं 5 को अटेम्प्ट करना है. आंसर आप खुद देखेंगे. व्हाई डिड आइंस्टाइन राइट अ लेटर टू फ्रैंकलिन रूजवेल्ट? व्हाट डिड आइंस्टाइन कॉल हिज डेस्क ड्रॉर एट द पेटेंट ऑफिस एंड व्हाई? What 2 important and earth-shaking decisions did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? What did Saint Peter ask the old lady for, and what was the lady's reaction? How does Ishwaran describe the uprooted tree on the highway, and what effect does he want to create in the listeners? Mahindra calls ghosts or spirit a figment of the imagination. What happens to him on a full moon night? And why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools, and is it a good idea? Now 4 markers हैं. Do you think Mahindra was fearful of ghosts? Give reason for an answer. And why, according to you, is it always risky to live among fools? Elaborate your answer with reference to the story in the kingdom of fools. तो सिर्फ इन 4 मार्कर्स के आंसर एक बार देख लेते हैं. महिंद्रा सीम्स टू बी fearful of ghosts for several reasons. Firstly, he shivered in response to Ishwaran's description of the woman ghost, and then started feeling a sense of unease at night. He kept peering in the darkness outside the window to make sure there was no movement of dark shapes. He also lost his fascination for looking out at the milky white landscape on moonlit nights. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग फूल्स के बीच में रहना रिस्की क्यों है, और ये आपको रेफरेंस देना था इसमें इन द किंगडम्स ऑफ फूल स्टोरी का. सो वन नेवर नोज व्हाट अ फूल हैज़ इन हिज माइंड, सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज रिस्की टू लिव अमंग फूल्स. द गुरु इन द स्टोरी टेल्स हिज डिसाइपल, द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर आर ऑल फूल्स, दे वॉन्ट लास्ट वेरी लॉन्ग, एंड यू कांट टेल वॉट दे विल डू टू यू नेक्स्ट. Their behavior is not predictable. The disciple did not follow the advice of Guru and was in trouble. He remembered Guru's words when he was arrested by the men of the king to execute merrily because he fitted the stake. The king, the most foolish creature of the kingdom, had a unique way of judgment. He did not apply his mind when deciding cases. At last, he became a victim of his own foolishness and was executed. Okay, so that's all, students. ये था क्लास 9th इंग्लिश का एक क्वेश्चन पेपर. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.